It got my lip gloss. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. Hello, my name is Caitlin. How are you doing? Like, if you're new to this channel and this is your first time seeing this beautiful chocolate face, do not forget to make the red button great and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss another second of moi. Like, I know you're gonna like my video. I know you're gonna like all of that. So just join the family and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, you can follow me on my social media accounts to be listed down below, link just for you. All you gotta do is just go click on her eyes on all my bum pictures and then just do it, okay? Thank you. If you're done doing all that, make sure to leave a comment below and thumbs up this video if you enjoy it. By the title of this video, you already know what's about to go down. So let's just get right into this video. Okay, so if you are not new here, Shein is the newest fast fashion, like, it's just taking the world by storm. Everything from like clothes, shoes, nails, all that good stuff. So I decided, you know, while I was filling up my little cart, I saw wigs. I was like, maybe we should trade that. Because I am on my little, you know, wig journey right now. I'm trying to grow back my hair. So I was like, why not just test my luck? Because I tested luck with the clothes and sometimes it's a hit or a miss. But, you know, let's just test the waters with the wigs. And then I read the reviews and they were like, oh my goodness, it feels so good. And I'm just like, I was looking at the people who were reviewing and I was just like, okay. But I decided I wanted to try them for myself, so I did order 3 wigs and we're about to try them on and review them and all the good jazz. But before we get into that, if you want to see how I made this wig, I made it myself. $4 hair. I will have the video linked below. Like, if you like it, you can go, you know, go click on that video too after you finish watching this video though, and, you know, make yourself your little own curly wig. Okay, so I bought 3 wigs and this one came like this. I opened it already, and one thing about Shein, I don't know what they do. I don't know if they dip their hair or clothes, whatever, in some ocean water, because it smells exactly like fish. Like, now the clothes smell like this too, so I'm just thinking it's the factory. I don't know. I will put the description and stuff below. Oh my goodness, this is scary. But I got it in blonde because I'm like, why not? Like, it's a wig. I've never been blonde before, so why not? Stitch the black, go to blonde. Oh, it doesn't smell as bad. I think I let it air out. One of them I still smell though. So this is the wig. She comes in this little, you know, net thing. And first reaction, like, it honestly doesn't even look that bad. Like, it looks like it's constructed like a real wig. Like, this is kind of cool and scary. It feels synthetic, of course, but it's not. Yeah, this doesn't feel as, and she's shedding. So if you're looking to buy a wig for like real purposes, pop this bad boy on. I'm ready to see how it looks. If you say anything about my cornrows in these comments, you're anti-black. I don't care. I'm scared. I'm gonna wash my hair like as soon as I get done recording this because I don't have time. I don't have time for anything that might have shipped over here with the hair. Don't have time. I don't have anything to put under it though, so let's just do it. It got my lip gloss. Okay. And from the looks of it, bangs aren't my thing. So, you know. I don't know. This is supposed to be like this? I don't know, girl. Child. I don't know. But something ain't right. Yeah, this could be like a costumey type stuff though. I don't know. So let's cut the bang a little bit and just see, you know, what she's gonna do. I don't know how to cut no hair, so this is gonna be fun.
I'm just gonna go on TikTok and stuff, do this when I'm about to cut their hair, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cut my truck right here. I don't know. I don't know. Okay.
No, I didn't do that bad. I did not do that bad. It's just, I need to cut some more. Okay, this is very corporate, you know, where's your manager vibes. So yeah, this is the first wig. But can we? No, okay, yeah, let's just take this off. Okay, so this is the second wig and she came in a box. Did she come in a box or did I just put her in a box? I don't know. This is like a brunette or a brown. I don't know, child. I'm just saying stuff. It's just like the first one, like a real wig, crazy enough. Weirdly enough, crazy enough, I don't know. But it has like clasps and everything. And the bang. So let's hope this bang suits me better because the other one didn't. So Let's try this one. This one is more tangled. I'm not gonna mess with it so I can be able to send it back, because yeah, that's when we'd be able to get like some, I don't know, say first I want to do like a photo shoot or something and just play with it. But yeah, no, this is, and the bang does still come like awkwardly on me, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Yeah. Like, people that have bangs, how are you okay? Because I can't. Reminds me of Velma off of Scooby-Doo. Is it Velma? Yeah, I think it's Velma. So yeah, it's kind of curly. I can still see my roots. That's all. This needs to get a little touch of. That's it. Like, no. No. Okay, this is the third one. This is the headband wig. We're gonna see how this one looks. This one, okay, this was one that's dark. Girl, this looks not big head friendly. Look how small this whole, well, I don't know, but this one has combs, which is scary because well, let me push it back. Oh, what? Hold on.
Hold on on that. Hold on. Now hold on.
Don't tell me I just need to do my edges. I think I'm just gonna do my edges real quick because this may be something. So I'm just gonna do my edges real quick. Okay, so I couldn't even find my like good edge stuff, so I'm just gonna use this. Hopefully this can do something real quick.
Okay, oh my goodness, I got like blonde hair on me. It's disgusting. That's one thing about it. Let's not be serious, Caitlin. Let's just stay playful. Huh? Yes.
That's how it looks, you know. Getting very much Velma, very much cutie pie. I'm gonna put this scarf on that my mother so lovingly gave me. I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna close out this video. Okay, so it actually does look kind of better with this headband. I'm not gonna tell her that though, so she'll just have to watch the video and find out. But it's the third and final wig, and this is like my favorite. It's my favorite one, but she's the most tangled one. So I don't know how to feel about this. So I'm just gonna close out the video of this wig because it's kind of cute. Okay, anyways, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below. Also, comment below which one was your favorite. This one is my favorite because this is the one that didn't have a bang, because obviously bangs don't suit me, and this is the one that, you know, I just feel more confident with this one. I would not wear any of these out anywhere, but just to take a quick little funny picture, not a funny picture, like a cute, you know. Other wigs, trash, garbage. Wish I didn't cut the first one because now I can't send it back. So if you want it, you know, comment below. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Follow me on social media accounts to see more of my beautiful face, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.